This is the shiur on Tefila. We are toward the Walezion that we say every morning. Now, toward the end, it says, in other words, and they trust in you, all of those that they know your name. Because you didn't leave whoever seeks you, Hashem. Now, first of all, we should have said the other way. We should have said, since those that they seek after you, you don't forsake them, you are after them, then that's why they trust in you, whoever knows your name. But here it says, they trust in you, whoever knows your name. In other words, the Siba should have said first, the one causing that, the causing should have said first. Since you don't forsake those that they seek you, that's why people trust in you. But it doesn't say like that. It says, trust in you, Hashem. But the truth of the matter is, this is the trust. In other words, if you are dealing with the machine, that whenever that push the button, you know as the fight that happens, in other words, the machine will respond. So you don't have trust in the machine. It's a fact. It's a factual. In other words, you push the button, that happens. It's a physics. That's trust. Trust means that it's about whether it happens or doesn't happen. It's in the person. It's not in response. I trust in that person. I know whatever that he does is good for me. I know as a fact. When I know that, that is trust. But if you're dealing with somebody, it's a push button. You button this, you get this, you button that, you get that. And that happens because the natural way that the machine works, that's not trust. That's the fact of this machine. Now we say, in other words, the Harisrael have trust in you. Trust comes not because you are responding or because trust means we trust in you yourself, in you. We trust in the person. The person we know as a fact that you are the one are addressing. Whether you answer, whether you don't answer, we know whatever that you do from the bottom of your heart is in for the past. So, for example, you imagine you hire somebody to work for you. And he works for you, he shows he's very loyal. Oh, at the bottom of your heart, always you have a question whether he works for money or for you. But what about your father loves you, likes you? The father shows, he's selfless for you. Then, over there, the trust is not on the fact that he does the job, doesn't do the job. The fact, the trust in the person. I know this person, no matter what he does. Always I say, and imagine a father gives a slap to his child and the child says, I love you. Or a father comes and kisses the child and the child says, I love you. Both they say, I love you. But this, I love you, there's a big difference. One is because of the kiss, the other one even gets a slap, he says, I love you. Because he knows the person. He knows that the slap is not. Now, why say Yod Shemecha? I don't say Yod Otach, those that they know you. Say Atah Kadosh Shemcha Kadosh. What's the difference between Atah Kadosh Shemcha Kadosh? What's the difference? Atah, you and your name is Kadosh. What? You are Kadosh, your name is Kadosh. No. See, when we tell Atah, means you, Hashem, the one who's the Borei the Olam, the one who created the world, the creator. We don't have shaykh, we can't understand him, can't comprehend him. We cannot understand his greatness, nothing. That's Atah. Shemecha means your name. What does name mean? Name is fame. Somebody has a name, means he's famous with that name. You know Reuven. What's Reuven? You know him as a person who is Baal Chesed. So that's fame that he got. No, really, in essence, is Baal Chesed or not, we don't know. But the attitude that he does is Baal Chesed. Therefore, the name comes with the fame that he gets. No, HaKadosh Baruch Hu also. Atah means you. You are Kadosh, you are Mukdal, you are separated. No, we know you not because of yourself, because we cannot comprehend you. But we know you from the acts that you do, with that you conduct the creation. That's shemecha. That fame that our created from himself, that's shemecha. Now, bitachon goes with shemecha because we have seen you. We know your attitude. We know what you are doing. We know what's your intention from the creation. We know how are you dealing with your beriah. We know that how much you love your beriah, even at the time that Misraim were drawn in Nilos, and they were so reshayim. You said, my siyada, my deed are being drawn and want to say shira. You didn't say my achim say shira. Because we know you as what you do, your attitude, your behavior, your things. That's shemich. The bitachon goes, bitachon doesn't go on something abstract that we don't know what we are talking about. The bitachon goes, the fact that we know your name, we know your behavior, we know the way that you treated the beriah, we know that how much you care, how much you love for beriah, and you know that you know the one something that brings bitachon, like Rambam says, there are two types of bitachon. One type of bitachon is childish. What's bitachon? I have bitachon in my father. Why? Because he provides for me. If I need any need that I have, I need hostel, I need tuition, I need a car, he provides. I need a now. What's bitachon? Bitachon Hashem also is that the provider. Whatever that I need, he gets it for me. That's the type of bitachon. Ramban calls that bitachon childish bitachon. Trust. What's the real trust that you have in Kodesh Baruch Hu? The real trust is that it's not just a provider. Somebody could be a provider for you, but would that get you to destination or not? You don't know. Maybe you provide in the wrong way. Maybe you go astray. But what we trust in Kodesh Baruch Hu means we know that Hashem created us and as a destination for us and helps us along the way to get to the destination that we have to get. It's much more profound. It's not just my doctor, my butcher, my grocery store, and he provides and provides. Providing at the end of the day doesn't do that much for you. What we need in life is to get to destination. And our trust to HaKadosh Baruch Hu is that he gets us to our destination that we have to get. He watches us, he provides for us, he leads us, he brings occasion for us, he creates facility for us that we should get to that destination that we should get. Over there, those who know your name, your behavior, the way that you deal with the beriah, you get everybody to the destination, that creates a great deep bitachon to you, HaKadosh Baruch Hu.